Please hear this. What we call church hopping, people hop from one church to another. That people changes churches and it is not correct. The first thing is that who put you to this church? If you say God, if you are sure it is God, then it must be God that will lead you out there. You don't say that there is no political activism in the kingdom. We don't protest in this kingdom. There is nothing called, we no go gree, we no go gree. There is nothing like that. There is no aluta. Your opinion is not needed. So if you are brought into this church, then it must be him who brought you that must lead you out. You don't say, I can no longer live where I am not tolerated. I have to go to the place where I am celebrated. That's a rebellious talk. And God will not force himself on anybody.